Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another tips from Tiffany. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about the holidays and cruising during the holidays. So if you are lucky enough to be one of those that gets to cruise through December and the holidays, that is so awesome. I'm very jealous. I wish I could cruise during the holidays, but with my job, it is difficult to take off during the month of December. So, if you are one of those that are lucky enough to take a cruise through the month of December, my tip this week is just be extra nice to the staff. I know we're all courteous to the staff and we love our staff, we take care of our crew. Just be a little bit extra courteous to them. They're missing their families really bad this time of year. I know I would be if I was on a 9-month contract out in the middle of the ocean. So just think about them and how they're feeling and missing their families right now, and just give them a little bit of extra love. Maybe even give them a Christmas card. Pack a few Christmas cards in your luggage and handwrite a Christmas card out to some of the crew members, especially the ones behind the scenes. You know, we always see our room stewards and we always see our waitresses and we talk to the bartenders and the servers and stuff like that. But maybe even take a couple extra for the crew members that are behind the scenes, the ones that we don't see, you know, the kitchen staff, the laundry staff, the engineers, and them in the backgrounds that we hardly ever see. They're missing their families just as much as the servers are. So just that's my tip for today, for this week, is just enjoy that cruise during this holiday season. We definitely have, missed cruising during the holiday seasons with COVID and everything. I know in the last couple of years, Chris and I and the channel made sure to send Christmas cards to the Carnival staff. We would do one card for every subscriber, which really made their day, made them happy. I know many of the cruisers and dedicated cruisers out there sent Christmas cards the last couple of years since cruising wasn't in full swing. So yeah, definitely show the crew some love this holiday season, because like I said, they are missing their family. So that is my tip for this week. Enjoy that holiday cruise, have a blast, have fun on it, and let's show the crew a little bit of extra love this holiday season. If you have any tips that you would like to hear about or see, definitely leave those in the comments. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me. And as always, I hope y'all have a great rest of your weekend and a wonderful upcoming week. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.